Just wanted to share something with you guys when I was removing the vinyl overlay from the spoiler, something that you should be careful of. Now remember I used like a plastic trim tool to tuck the vinyl. Well, it left little scratches in here, and it's going to be hard to see because it's a lighter color, but it left quite a bit of them, to be honest. You have to see it from a certain angle. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. It's right where the spoiler meets the paint, or the deck lid. See if I can see it here. See those ones right there? And the reflection right there? There's a lot of them, and they travel almost the whole way down. And that's just from using a plastic trim tool real gently too. It wasn't rough with it at all. So if you have a darker color car, you'll see them very easily. I mean, they go all the way down as far as where I was tucking it, because you do have to tuck it a tiny bit. If you can see those right there. You know, you might be able to get some of them out with scratch out. But my recommendation is, if you guys are doing this, a little tip that I didn't even think about doing, but you could take masking tape and you tape it all along the side here as you go all the way down, right underneath the spoiler, and set it down there. And then when you use a tool to tuck it, no matter what you're using, it's protected because you have the masking tape. So I would definitely do that next time, knowing that it does cause scratches and we know the paint's pretty thin. So, okay, hope that helps you guys out. Gives you a little tip there to avoid this issue. I appreciate it as always. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care, everybody.